My name's Roxanne, and welcome to How to Work From Home. In this quick set, we're going to explore how to work from home and how to set yourself up for success in the workplace. Shortly, you're going to see a range of questions pop up on the screen. For each question, I'm going to take you through multiple scenarios that may occur during your first virtual working week at work. Each question will have 3 answers to choose from, so take your time to think. Just make a note of it, or shout out the right answer, whatever you prefer. There's no lifelines in this game, so make sure you're on your A game. Let's go. It's the day before your first day in your new role. How can you best prepare for the week ahead? Answer 1. Log on to your first day, hoping for some direction about where you need to be and when. Answer 2. Look through your calendar for the week ahead, making a note of where you need to be and when, also checking you have the right tools to do the job. Or answer 3. Watch that last Netflix episode because you prefer to run on adrenaline anyway. You'll figure out what's happening at some point. So what would you do? You guessed it. Answer 2 makes the most sense. Preparing for your first day from home can be super daunting, so planning ahead helps to make things easier. It also gives you a great opportunity to flag any potential issues to your line manager in advance. It's time to virtually meet your line manager. This is a great chance to create a great working relationship and set some realistic expectations and goals for your role ahead. How are you going to get ready for this situation? Answer 1. Find a quiet space to conduct the call with your camera on and explain to your line manager that starting a role remotely is brand new to you. Ask your manager about how they like to work and how you can both work together to achieve maximum success for this role. Answer 2. You forgot to run to the shop for lunch, so why not take the call with your line manager on your way? Or answer 3. Conduct the call with your camera off as you're a little tired, so you'd prefer to take this one from your bed. Right, what would you do? If you said answer 1, that's correct. Even though you're meeting your line manager virtually, always try and have your video on so it provides that face-to-face element and you're able to make a great impression. It's also a great idea to ask lots of questions about how they'd like to work, as this will help you manage expectations. So you've had a great couple of days meeting your line manager and getting up to speed with your new role. However, now it's time to meet your wider team and introduce yourself. What would you do in this situation? Answer 1. Try and find the contact details of each team member, call them and introduce yourself before the meeting. Answer 2. Join the team call while completing some work set by your line manager in the background. Or answer 3. Do some preparation before the call, then join your team call, introduce yourself, providing some information about what you were doing prior to joining the company. Now this one was a bit tricky. In this situation, answer 3 would be the most appropriate. Working in the background of a call can seem like you are disinterested and aren't listening to others. Whereas asking questions, introducing yourself, and making a great first impression is the best way to meet in your new team. And finally, it's the last day of the week. As things are virtual, there won't be an opportunity for any after-work in-person socials. However, your company has gone to extra lengths to create a virtual social event. What are you going to do? Answer 1. Make sure all your work is completed in time for the after-work event so that you can join virtually and meet others within the company and network further. Answer 2. Skip the virtual event as you have way too much work to complete. Answer 3. Join the virtual event, leaving any important outstanding work till the following week. What did you pick? Answer 1? That's right. It's your first week and it's so important to network and get yourself out there as much as possible, especially in the virtual working world. Try and complete all the work you have outstanding so there aren't any tasks looming over you for the following week. It's okay if you can't make every work social event, but aiming to make your first one is not only beneficial for you, but it also shows your willingness to network. So there you have it. The end of the quiz. I hope you got some answers right and really thought about how you'd virtually approach your first week at work. That's it, everyone. Tune in next time on How to Work From Home.